A bib and everything.
Here we go.
Yeah. You can do it.
Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm.
Yay. Yay.
That bib came just in time.
Do you want to try again? Are you ready? Are you ready? Whoa! You can do it.
He's definitely unsure.
Yeah.
I want to like it.
Yeah. Yeah. Yummy. 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 What do you think, man? A lot of stuff coming out of your mouth.
Yeah, not a lot staying in.
He was doing better at the beginning.
Yeah, that's it.
No,
Not
just
yet.
Daddy. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
That's okay. It didn't come out yet. I think he swallowed that one.
Alright. Good job, Benjamin.
Yeah.
Do you think it's too runny?
No.
No?
He might stand to be a little thicker, but
Look at that a little bit.
maybe the temperature changed because he wasn't doing this at first.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. You can do it. Yeah. Yeah. Good.
Alright.
That hasn't went down yet.
You okay?
Yay!
Yay, Benjamin.
Yay!
Yay for rice cereal.